Welcome guys, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can refuel your chainsaw in Rust. So what we'll need to do is basically have some low grade, so I have plenty of them right here, and to refill just click on R on your keyboard, and as you can see it will take 50 low grade. And now you can try starting your chainsaw by right click, and basically you will be able to use a chainsaw. And now to unload the ammo, you can just go to your inventory, click on the chainsaw and click unload ammo. And that's pretty much it, guys. That's how you refill and fuel your chainsaw in Rust. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to guide to everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one. Peace.